NewgenONE Platform Online Training. What is Itsoft W4 and how does it enhance business process automation? The NewgenONE platform is a low-code digital transformation platform designed to help enterprises automate business processes, manage content efficiently, and enhance customer engagement. It provides a unified environment for process automation, content services, communication management, and AI-driven analytics, enabling organizations to modernize their operations and improve agility. Key capabilities of NewgenONE. Low-code development enables rapid application development with minimal coding. Allows business users and developers to build and customize applications quickly. Process automation automates end-to-end business processes with workflow orchestration. Includes BPM, business process management, capabilities to streamline operations. Content management, ECM. Provides enterprise content management to capture, store, and retrieve documents. Supports records management, case management, and digital asset management. Customer communication management, CCM. Enables personalized, multi-channel customer communication. Helps in regulatory compliance with automated document generation. AI and analytics. Uses AI ML for intelligent document processing and decision-making. Provides real-time insights and predictive analytics. Cloud-native and scalable. Supports on-premises, cloud, and hybrid deployments. Ensures scalability and flexibility for growing businesses. How NewgenONE enables digital transformation. Accelerates innovation. By leveraging low-code development, businesses can quickly create and modify applications to meet evolving needs. Improves operational efficiency. End-to-end automation reduces manual effort and operational bottlenecks. Enhances customer experience, provides seamless omni-channel engagement and personalized services. Ensures compliance and security, robust governance, risk management, and compliance, GRC, capabilities safeguard business processes. Enables seamless integration, connects with legacy systems, ERPs, CRMs, and other enterprise applications. Industries benefiting from NewgenONE. Banking and financial services, loan processing, fraud detection. Insurance, claims automation, underwriting. Healthcare, patient records management, compliance. Government, e-governance, document automation. Manufacturing and retail, supply chain automation, customer interactions. How to design and automate business processes using NewgenONE. NewgenONE is a low-code digital transformation platform that enables organizations to design, automate, and optimize business processes efficiently. To design and automate business processes using NewgenONE, follow these key steps. 1. Process discovery and design. Identify business requirements, understand the pain points and objectives for automation. Model the process. Use NewgenONE's Process Modeler, BPMN-based, to design workflows visually. Define roles and responsibilities. Assign user roles for each step of the process. Integrate business rules. Use decision tables and rule engines for conditional workflows. 2. Automating workflows. Drag-and-drop workflow designer, automate approvals, escalations, and notifications. Configure triggers and events, define automatic triggers for actions based on system inputs. Connect systems and data, integrate with ERP, CRM, databases, and legacy systems via APIs. 3. Implement AI and RPA for hyperautomation. Intelligent Document Processing, IDP automate data extraction from invoices, forms, and contracts. Robotic Process Automation, RPA deploy bots for repetitive tasks like data entry and validation. AI, ML-based decision-making, use AI models for fraud detection, sentiment analysis, and predictions. 4. Testing and optimization. Simulate and validate, run test cases to identify bottlenecks. Performance tuning, optimize workflows based on analytics and process efficiency KPIs. 5. Deployment and continuous improvement. Deploy on cloud or on-premises. Use NewgenOne's containerized architecture for scalability. Monitor with process analytics. Track SLAs, process efficiency, and compliance. Optimize with feedback loops. Continuously refine workflows based on insights. 6. Ensuring compliance and security. Role-based access control, RBAC define access permissions. Audit trails and compliance checks, ensure regulatory adherence. Encryption and security policies, protect data with enterprise-grade security. What are the key capabilities of NewgenONE for low-code application development? NewgenONE is a comprehensive low-code application development platform designed to help enterprises accelerate digital transformation. Its key capabilities include low-code development, drag-and-drop interface for building applications, visual workflow designer for process automation, pre-built templates and reusable components, business process automation, BPA. Workflow automation with BPM capabilities. AI-powered decision-making and rule-based processing. Integration with RPA for end-to-end automation. Omni-channel experience. Web and mobile app development support. Chatbots and self-service portals. Unified customer engagement across channels. AI and analytics integration. AI ML models for intelligent automation. Real-time analytics and dashboards. Predictive analytics for decision-making. Enterprise-grade security and compliance. Role-based access control, RBAC. Data encryption and secure API integrations. Compliance with industry standards, GDPR, HIPAA, etc. Seamless integrations. API-based and pre-built connectors for ERP, CRM, and third-party apps. Cloud-native architecture for hybrid and multi-cloud deployments. Legacy system modernization capabilities. Scalability and flexibility. Cloud-based, on-premises, and hybrid deployment models. Microservices-based architecture for high scalability. Dynamic UI and process customization. How to implement AI and machine learning in NewgenONE for intelligent automation? Implementing AI and machine learning in NewgenONE for intelligent automation involves leveraging AI-driven automation capabilities to optimize workflows, enhance decision-making, and improve operational efficiency. Here's a structured approach. 1. Identify use cases for AI in Newgenuini. AI and ML can be applied in various areas within Newgenuini, such as document processing, automate document classification, extraction, and validation using AI-powered OCR. Intelligent workflow automation, use AI-driven insights to optimize business processes dynamically. Predictive analytics, leverage ML models to forecast trends, detect anomalies, and enhance decision-making. Chatbots and virtual assistants, automate customer interactions through AI-based bots integrated into workflows. Fraud detection and risk management, use AI for anomaly detection in financial transactions and compliance monitoring. To integrate AI and ML models. Newgenuini supports AI model integration through pre-built AI capabilities. Newgenuini provides AI-driven features like intelligent data capture and process insights. Custom model deployment, use APIs to integrate ML models built in Python, TensorFlow, or scikit-learn. Cloud AI services, connect with AI ML services from AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure for deeper intelligence. 3. Utilize AI for cognitive document processing. Newgenuini's Intelligent Document Processing (IDP) uses AI ML to extract unstructured data from PDFs, images, and emails. Validate and categorize data using NLP and machine learning. Automate compliance checks and data enrichment. 4. Implement AI-driven process orchestration. Use AI-powered decisioning to automate complex workflows dynamically. Apply ML-based process mining to identify bottlenecks and optimize workflows. Enable AI-based rule engines for real-time decision-making in business processes. 5. Leverage AI for predictive analytics and insights. Monitor workflow efficiency using AI-based dashboards. Predict process outcomes using historical data and ML models. Enable proactive decision-making by integrating AI-driven alerts and recommendations. 6. Continuous learning and model improvement. Implement feedback loops where AI models continuously learn from user interactions. Use A/B testing to optimize AI-driven automation. Leverage AutoML to retrain models periodically. 7. Security, compliance, and governance. Ensure data privacy and AI governance while using ML models. Implement explainable AI, XAI, to make decisions transparent. Maintain regulatory compliance with AI-driven audit trails. How does Newgenuini ensure enterprise-grade security and compliance? Newgenuini ensures enterprise-grade security and compliance through a comprehensive, multi-layered approach that includes robust authentication, encryption, access controls, compliance certifications, and continuous monitoring. Here's how. 1. Identity and Access Management (IAM). Role-based access control (RBAC) ensures that users have access only to necessary resources. Multi-factor authentication (MFA) enhances security by requiring multiple verification factors. Single sign-on (SSO) provides seamless and secure access across enterprise applications. 2. Data security and encryption. Data at rest and in-transit encryption uses strong encryption standards, example AES-256, TLS 1.2.1.3, to protect data. Tokenization and masking prevents exposure of sensitive data. Audit trails and logging maintains detailed records of user activity for security and compliance purposes. 3. Compliance with industry standards. Regulatory compliance aligns with global regulations like GDPR, HIPAA, PCI DSS, and ISO 27001. Security certifications meets industry best practices through SOC 2, ISO 27001, and other security standards. Audit readiness supports compliance audits with comprehensive reporting and tracking. 4. Threat detection and monitoring. Intrusion detection and prevention systems, IDPS, protects against cyber threats. Security information and event management, CM, real-time monitoring and alerts for suspicious activities. AI-powered anomaly detection identifies and mitigates risks proactively. 5. Application and infrastructure security. Secure software development lifecycle, SDLC, ensures security is built into applications from development to deployment. Containerization and microservices security protects workloads with Kubernetes, Docker, and cloud security best practices. Zero Trust architecture ensures continuous authentication and validation. 6. Cloud security and data residency. Multi-cloud security works with leading cloud providers, AWS, Azure, GCP, with built-in security features. Data residency controls enables compliance with local data sovereignty laws. Disaster recovery and business continuity ensures uptime and resilience with automated backup and failover mechanisms. What are the best practices for workflow orchestration in NewgenONE? Workflow orchestration in NewgenONE ensures seamless automation, optimization, and execution of business processes across various departments. Here are some best practices to follow. 1. Process design and optimization. Model before automating. Use BPMN-based visual workflow designers to map out workflows before implementing automation. Eliminate redundancies. Identify and remove unnecessary tasks to streamline operations. Parallel processing. Where possible, implement parallel tasks to enhance efficiency and reduce bottlenecks. 2. Integration and interoperability. API-driven integration. Leverage REST and SOAP APIs to connect with ERP, CRM, and other enterprise applications. Low-code development. Utilize NewgenONE's low-code capabilities to quickly integrate new systems without extensive coding. Data exchange standardization. Ensure seamless data flow across systems using standardized formats, JSON, XML. 3. Scalability and performance tuning. Dynamic workload distribution. Use workload balancing to distribute tasks dynamically across teams. Optimize query performance. Fine-tune database queries for faster data retrieval in large-scale workflows. Monitor system performance. Regularly track workflow execution times and optimize slow processes. 4. Security and compliance. Role-based access control RBAC define user roles and restrict access based on business needs. Audit trails maintain detailed logs for tracking user actions and process changes. Regulatory compliance ensure workflows align with industry standards, GDPR, HIPAA, ISO. 5. Intelligent automation and AI integration. AI-powered decisioning use AI ML models to enhance decision-making within workflows. RPA integration implement robotic process automation, RPA, for repetitive tasks like data entry and validation. Sentiment analysis and NLP enhance customer-facing workflows with AI-driven sentiment and text analysis. 6. Real-time monitoring and alerts. Dashboards and analytics use built-in analytics to gain real-time insights into process efficiency. SLA tracking set up automated alerts for SLA breaches and process delays. Exception handling implement automated exception handling workflows to manage errors dynamically. 7. Continuous improvement and governance. Feedback loops gather user feedback to continuously refine workflows. A/B testing experiment with different workflow variations to determine the most efficient approach. Governance framework establish governance policies for workflow versioning, documentation, and updates. How to integrate NewgenONE with other enterprise systems and cloud platforms. 1. Understand NewgenONE's integration capabilities. NewgenONE provides multiple integration options. REST and SOAP APIs for seamless communication with external applications. Pre-built connectors for commonly used enterprise systems, ERP, CRM, ECM. Message queues for event-driven architecture, Kafka, JMS, RabbitMQ. RPA and IBPM integration automating workflows across multiple systems. Data integration with ETL tools and databases. To identify the target systems and platforms. Determine which enterprise applications and cloud platforms need to be integrated. ERP, SAP, Oracle eBusiness Suite, Microsoft Dynamics. CRM, Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics 365, Zoho CRM. Cloud storage and content services, AWS S3 SharePoint, Google Drive. Identity and security, Active Directory, Okta, Azure AD. Databases, SQL Server, Oracle, PostgreSQL, MongoDB. Analytics and BI, Power BI, Tableau, ClickSense. Other platforms, ServiceNow, Workday, SAP Cloud. 3. Choose the right integration approach. A. API-based integration. Utilize NewgenONE's REST APIs to exchange data between applications. Secure APIs using OAuth, JWT, or API Gateway for authentication. Implement webhooks to trigger events in real time. B. Middleware and iPaaS solutions. Use middleware like MuleSoft, Dell Boomi, Informatica Cloud for enterprise-wide API integration. Zapier, Workato for low-code automation. Apache Kafka for real-time event streaming. C. Direct database integration. Utilize ODBC JDBC connections to pull and push data. Use stored procedures, triggers, or ETL tools for batch processing. D. Cloud-based integration. AWS Lambda Azure functions to trigger workflows on cloud events. Hybrid cloud setup, secure data exchange between on-premise and cloud. Why choose ProExcellency for NewgenONE platform online training? ProExcellency is a reputable online training provider based in Bangalore, Karnataka, offering a wide range of professional courses. While specific information about their NewgenONE platform online training isn't available in the provided sources, ProExcellency is known for delivering comprehensive and flexible online training programs. Their courses are led by expert instructors with practical industry experience, ensuring that learners receive both theoretical knowledge and hands-on skills. ProExcellency's training approach includes interactive sessions, real-world case studies, and continuous support, all designed to enhance your learning experience and career prospects. For detailed information about their NewgenONE platform training, it's recommended to contact ProExcellency directly through their official website. Thank you.